Hi family, Lorna here, back at you with another simple vegan recipe. Today we're going to make cream cheese, but before we begin, let me wash my hands here. Okay, so we have here almonds. So with these, I blanch them, I soak them with water for 24 hours until they begin to sprout. And then when you do that, it's easy to just take the skins off. I like to do it for 24 hours because that way it's much easier. I don't have to fight them to take the skins off. And then we have 1 cup of sea moss, otherwise known as Irish moss. I have here about 4 pimento peppers, and then I have 2.5, I have to write the measurement to make sure, 2.5 teaspoons of lemon juice. We have 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, or if you have the Celtic salt, that's okay too. And I always come with 1 cup of water. Sometimes I use less, sometimes I use more. I think it depends on how wet my sea moss is. So we're gonna come with 1 cup and see how much I will use. Okay. So we're gonna start with the almonds. That's 2 cups again. 1 cup of the sea moss, otherwise known as Irish moss. Okay. Then we have, okay, there's still some. I don't want to put this down. Okay. Then we have the pimento peppers, lemon juice, salt, and there's some salt left in the bottom, so I'll just quickly do that to get it out. Okay, don't start with all the water because you don't want it to be too liquidy. Close it down. Okay. Oh, so sorry. All right, here we go. Let's check to see the consistency. want it to be, see, the texture of cream cheese. If I put too much water, it will be too runny. So you just have to stop the blender, check and see, and then go back in if anything. The Irish moss, otherwise known as sea moss, is what will help it to gel together and to get that consistency, and the pimento pepper adds tons of flavor. You can also add green peppers, you can add green sweet peppers or green onions, chives, whatever you love, whatever flavor you like, you can add it to it. So I'm just gonna go back in just for a bit. I don't want to put more water because I want it to stay with this thickness. Okay, that's my holding station. Okay. That should be it. And there you have it. Homemade, raw vegan, simple raw vegan cream cheese. It's so delicious. You have to try it. You can't just take my word for it. You have to try. And what I have here is some, so I use about 3-4 cups of water. Oh, there goes my thing. So you just have to line it with either plastic or parchment paper, but I rather the parchment so it's easy to pull out. You know what would be really good with this? Those raw vegan cracker I made last time. I could really go with that right now. 1 second. Okay. So these are the cracker I made last time, and I have some dehydrated onions. It's like dehydrated caramelized onions. So I'm gonna put those on top, and that's how I'm going to have it. See, it spreads just as cream cheese. So beautiful. And there you go. See how simple and healthy you can be? And it's all homemade. It's good. It's very good. You have to try it. You have to try it. So please remember to subscribe to my channel, to give a thumbs up, to like, share, and let me know any ideas that you have on how we could eat this cream cheese. Thanks again, and continue to have a simple life. God bless.